So do you detect a musty smell coming from your vehicle? You know, bacteria, mold spores, and other odor-producing organisms can actually accumulate in your car's air conditioning evaporator, causing odors and harmful fumes for the passengers inside your vehicle. If you detect this odor, it can be eliminated with a biodegradable, non-toxic cleaner that quickly and effectively kills the mold and mildew that can grow in your air conditioning system. Now, this air conditioning refresher will actually leave your vehicle smelling fresh and clean and improve the efficiency of your heating and cooling system. Thanks for watching. This has been your Automotive Tech Tip.